Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and we are starting another video at night again. Why? Because there's another meet at CSUN, which is like near my house, college near my house. So we're gonna go over there, and I got my little bro with me. Why not pull up, see how active it is, let's see what the Valley got. I'm about to show y'all what kind of cars the Valley be repping and shit. So let's see what the Valley got. I want to say I appreciate you guys for showing love on the last video as always, and on every video. It's very much appreciated. And if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. This be your boy Eddie, aka Inzane. I'll probably pick up the camera once I get near there. So we got parked up right here. We were gonna go way up there, but Sean just FaceTimed me, and it is gonna be a bitch to get up there and just to come down. So I'd rather just stay parked solo dolo over here. We here, bro. Everybody's here. Shit's getting lit. It's getting real active. There's, I think, still 2 more floors or a floor up right now. So we about to go up right now, but shit's getting active as we get started. The Valley showing out right now, bro. I didn't even know I didn't know the Valley had it in them. I'm only saying that, bro, because there's barely any meets out here. Yeah, see why I didn't want to park up here, bro. This GTR creeping is running away from me. You better get over here, sir. Yeah, but don't know. Oh, I think this is Bees. Hi, Jackinator. I see you. Everybody's just circling around. But they got like a lot of teams here. We got this nice little heli. We got all the Mopars over here. Mopars. These BMW lights. Ooh, that's hard. Not too shabby. Ish. Hard, and I think we got the truck clubs over here, you know. Everybody with the bulls and all that, the good. I'm still trying to get used to getting closer to the mic, guys. So, pardon me if the audio goes in and out. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Ooh, a little M4. We got some MR2s side by side. Okay. A little MR2 action there in one of it. I appreciate the MR2s. They nice. I love the color on it. Let's see the back. Ooh, we got the carbon hood. This thing is cool. They're dope. You guys know? Ooh, this one's real clean, bro. This one's just dummy clean. It is nice. Everybody's getting kicked out now. Everybody is getting kicked out. Jeez, they just came and shut this bitch down. I don't know, the flyer said that it was like the cops are cool with it, but I guess not anymore. They said, hell no, everybody go home. That's gonna be a bitch to get out because now everybody's gonna try to leave. Now this is the problem. I knew this was gonna happen, bro. I knew like the fucking cops were gonna come and shut this bitch down, and it's gonna be a bitch for everybody to go home now. But look at this. Look at this. Everybody's just trying to leave. My bro, wait for me, cousin. Oh shit, we about to die. Everybody's just trying to live. Oh shit, everybody's about to get loud. Yeah, I see, everybody's about to get loud. Ooh, this wagon though. lasted probably like, I want to say 30 minutes, probably 40. Everybody was like, get the hell out of here. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We're leaving. Everybody's trying to go home and you can't. And I knew this was gonna happen. I knew. I knew I should have parked lower in the first floor. Started at 8 o'clock and it's 8:56, so literally lasted like 50 minutes, bro. Like tops. And then everybody was like, yo, go home, go home. Hey, what a cheater. What the hell is that? No, that's the Mustang behind us, bro. It's like a 4-cylinder. Fly, they just... Oh! Sounds horrible, my guy. Like, what the fuck, dude? Hell no, bro. That's just so. As you guys saw, this vlog was hella short, and that was because I thought there was gonna be so much more filming to do that day, and I thought the meet was gonna be big, but unfortunately it wasn't. So I'm really sorry this vlog is hella short, but the next vlog that's coming out is gonna be dope. I know you guys are gonna like it. If you guys been watching my Instagram, you guys been seeing where I went and all that, so stay tuned for that one. I will have another video up real soon, but I just wanted to put this out so I can at least put something out for you guys. I know it's very short. I'm real sorry, but the next one's gonna be a little longer. I got you guys, but I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, and this has been your boy Eddie, and I'm out.